In this video, we will talk about rotate around in Unity. The best example for rotate around is the movement of the planets in the solar system. For example, this moon which want to rotate around Earth. Like me, open the script, write in update transform.rotate around, then in parentheses for first part write target's position which the object want to rotate around it. So up here define a transform called target. So in parentheses write target.position. Second part must be rotate direction, which is vector3.up. Third part is rotating speed. For example, 50 times time.delta time. Now give the script to the moon and give Earth to define a target. After play, you can see the moon rotates around target. If you wanna change rotate direction, just open the code and instead of vector3.up, write anything you want. For example, vector3.left, down, right. Rotate around for 2D games is just like this, only instead of vector3.left, right, vector2.forward. Drag the script towards the object and give the target to target section 2. After play, you can see the object rotates around this center. Another type of rotating is the camera rotating around object, which you only need to set rotate direction from the script, and drag the script towards the camera and give the target to it too. After play, you can see the camera rotates around the object like this.